Hi everyone, I hope you're having a great day. Today we're going to be learning to multiply by 10, and you're going to be successful today if you can multiply by 10, and you can also use the algorithm to solve problems as well. So let's get started. Alright, so when we're multiplying by 10, so say if I've got a circle, what I'm doing to that circle is when I times it by 10, I'm making that circle 10 times bigger. Alright, that's with anything. Same when we did 2 times tables. We're making that circle 2 times bigger. We're making that number 2 times bigger. Alright, so let me show you another way. Alright, so here's an example. So if I times 10 times 2, what I'm trying to find out is I'm trying to find out what 10 groups of 2 are. But I'm also trying to figure out, and when I make a photo of it, when I draw it, it's going to look like this. So I've got 10 groups and there's 2 in each group. That's what it's going to look like when you're multiplying by 10s. You can have 10 groups and you're going to have 2 in each group. But it could change. So if you had 3, there would be 3 in each group. Alright. Then what it also is I'm going to be plussing 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. Which is going to give me 20. Okay? So, when I'm timesing 10 times 2, I'm finding out what 10 groups of 2 is. That's what it looks like as a picture. And it's also 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. Alright. Now what we're going to do is, I'm going to show you one more example. Let me just write this out. Alright, let's do one more example. Alright, let's do 10 times 6. So when I'm trying to find out what 10 times 6 is, I need to find out what 10 groups of 6 is. So 10 groups is going to look like this when I draw a picture of it. So I'm going to have 10 groups. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And in that group, I'm going to have 6. My circles are too small, so I'm just going to write number 6 in each of them. So I'm going to have 6 in each group. This could be 6 lollies. This could be 6 lollipops. It could be 6 circles. It's up to you. And then when it also looks like this, 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6. Okay, so when I times all of those together, or when I add them all together, I'm going to get 60. Okay, all right. So what you're going to go and do now is just the way I've done it in this video, and this is going to show me again who's been watching the videos. You are going to answer the questions that are on the next slide. But what I want you to do is I want you to do it the way that I've shown you here. Now, the way you're going to get a dojo point today is if you show me using this way, I'm going to give you your dojo point for this activity, but only if you have watched the video and you have done the answer like this. Alright, I hope you've enjoyed this video. I will also be adding another video up today of multiplying by 10 using the algorithm. I hope you have a nice rest of the day, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye everyone.